Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off the location in Instagram application in your Android phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, the first things you can do is go to your Instagram application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Instagram application, click the search engine below. Okay guys, after that, click the search bar on the upper side on your screen. Okay guys, after that, click the place on the upper right side on your screen. Okay guys, if you see the nearby places, the Instagram location are on. So okay guys, to turn off this location in your Instagram account, so okay, go to your settings on your mobile phone. So okay, go to your settings and find the apps management. So okay, click the apps management. Okay guys, here in apps management, find the Instagram logo. So okay, click the Instagram. Okay guys, here in Instagram info, so you all have to do is click the permissions. So okay guys, here in app permissions, so you can see the location switch button. So okay guys, to turn off the location in your Instagram app using your mobile phone is click the switch button location. So okay, click this to turn off the location in your Instagram. So okay guys, go back to your Instagram application. And okay guys, successful turn off your Instagram location in your Instagram app. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.